Rubber plants are very easy care plants which can tolerate a lot of neglect. According to studies conducted by NASA, rubber plants are well known for their amazing property of improving indoor air quality. Welcome back to Honey Bunny Online. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now and hit the bell icon to keep notified about all our new videos on household hacks, houseplants, cleaning with natural products, and many more such topics. Did you know that the rubber plant can grow in a very limited light? It can purify the air, eliminate bacteria, and mold spores. Along with all these amazing properties, this plant is very easy to propagate. All you need is a leaf, some water, and patience of about a month. So I will show you here how I propagated my rubber plant from a single leaf. There is no rocket science involved. All you need is to cut a leaf close to the stem like this. You can use garden scissors, any sharp blade, or regular scissors. Anything would do. No specific equipment is required. When you cut the leaf, a milky white liquid called the sap oozes out. This liquid should be taken care of because it can be harmful if it touches eyes or skin. If you're not wearing gloves, make sure you wash your hands really well if you touch it. So you can wipe off this liquid using a tissue and then air dry it for a minute or so. After that, we will dip it in honey, which is a root growth stimulant. Let the honey stick onto the stem for some time, and then you can simply place it in a bottle or a cup filled with water so that the tip of the stem touches the water. You can keep this anywhere in the house. It would not require lots of light, neither it will mind if it is in a lot of light. So go easy and keep it anywhere. The only thing that is to be taken care of is to change water every week. I have chosen Saturday and I change water of all my propagations on Saturday morning. In about 4 to 5 weeks, the roots will start to emerge. So this is my result after 2 months. The roots have grown really well and they look so strong. It really amazes me, and at the same time it gives me lots of pleasure to see the roots with the single leaf. It looks so pretty and so beautiful. When I started water propagation of this leaf, at the same time I planted another leaf in soil using the same method of dipping the tip in honey overnight, and next morning I planted it in the soil after washing. I used to water this once a week, so let's see how the root growth has gone in this one. I'm loosening the soil so that the plant can come out easily. So here is our result. Let's see how it is. Oh, the roots have grown well here as well. Let's have a closer look. The roots look really healthy. I will not remove more soil just to make sure that the plant doesn't go into a shock. And I can see another baby leaf which is just coming up here, if you can see. So here are our results. Both the methods have worked really well, but I personally like the water propagation one because I love to watch the roots grow, and also the leaf in the water propagated one is greener and it looks fresher than the one in the soil. Now I will plant them in soil and take them indoors. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Stay connected for more such videos and share your experiences in the comment section below. See you next time.